there. In this video, I'm going to be explaining what affiliate marketing is and how you can be the most successful with it. So the first thing you would need to do is figure out what it is that you want to promote. And so one way to do that is to figure out what your hobbies are, what you don't mind spending a lot of time on, what you may be interested in learning, because you are going to be spending a lot of time on this product and you're going to be creating content and promoting it. So it has to be something that you're really interested in. Otherwise, you won't keep up with the work that's needed for success. So you're going to figure out the product, service, or software. And when you do, so as an example, let's just take dog training. You have a dog, you've gone through this dog training program that's really helped you a lot, and you're interested in promoting it and making that extra income. Well, the way to find out is if this dog training program has an affiliate program. So on the website, usually down at the bottom, it might say affiliate program or it might say partner program, something like that. And you can apply to become an affiliate. You pick the product that you want to promote. So it's this dog training program, and you have applied to become an affiliate for that program. Once you are approved, you are going to get what's called your affiliate link, which is your unique tracking link. This is the way the company or product creator knows who sent that sale to their product. And so keeping track of your affiliate link is super important. So once you get your link, then what you are going to do is you are going to send traffic. And basically, traffic is just another word for people. You are going to send people to your affiliate link. And to do this, you can either use free or paid methods. As a beginner affiliate marketer, I always recommend starting with free methods because this gives you the opportunity to test your product, test your marketing, make sure that everything is working well, that everything's in profit. Once you know that everything is working well, then you can go to paid methods to really scale this up quickly. If you just start with paid methods and you don't know what you're doing, it is a quick way to go through a lot of money very quickly. And this is one reason why so many people end up quitting with affiliate marketing in the beginning, is because they have tried to do methods that are not great for beginners and they have spent all their money and it hasn't worked, and so they get discouraged and quit. So I always recommend starting with free methods. An example of free methods would be things like Facebook posting, it would be YouTube videos, it would be blogging, forums, any kind of social media thing. That would be a way to do free methods to get people to your affiliate link. Paid methods would be any kind of paid, Google ads, Facebook ads, any kind of paid ad that you are doing would be a paid method. So you figured out that you're going to do free methods. You are going to say, for example, say you decided to do a blog. You're going to be writing about this dog training program, how it's made things better for you and your dog, and you learn so much, and this is what's great. And within your blog, you're going to be placing your affiliate link. So when people go through your blog and they read your articles and they, oh, well, this program sounds pretty good, I want more information, and they click on your affiliate link, if they like what they see at that point and a sale is made, this is, of course, the best outcome. And then many times these companies wait until after the refund period before you actually get paid your commissions. So just because a sale is made does not necessarily mean that you're going to get your money the next day. You need to be prepared for waiting until the end of the refund period. And this is because if someone does actually request a refund, and the company's already paid you, then they have to try and do what's called a clawback or get that commission back because of the refund. So it's just easier for everyone if they wait until after the refund period, and then they know that they can pay you your affiliate commission without worrying about clawbacks and things like that. And then you get your commission, and then here you go here. And so as you You may have another, say you've got another, it's a dog collar that you really like. Well, you would apply to become an affiliate for the dog collar, get your links and traffic, sale is made, and again, you're getting paid your commissions. And so this is basically how affiliate marketing works. It's a very straightforward system. It is a simple system, although it may not be very easy depending on how much marketing experience you have. Now, as I stated in the beginning of this video, I'm going to also show you here a way that you can really increase the number of sales are made just with a few tweaks to this whole system here. So I duplicated it, and let's go down here. This is a way to increase your affiliate commissions. So this upper part here is the same as what we just went through, but there are some changes. So with this, what you're going to do is create what's called an opt-in funnel. The opt-in funnel, what you're going to be doing is you're going to offer a free giveaway, and it could be a PDF, it could be a checklist on dog training, it could be a video on dog training, it could be something of value that you know that people who have dogs that are interested in dog training, this is going to be valuable to them, and you want it to have lots of value because people are going to be exchanging their email address in exchange for this item that you're giving away. So once they put in their email address, it's going to go to what's called an autoresponder, which is basically a big database of all the emails that you have collected from people saying that they want the product that you are giving away. And then you are going to be able to follow up with all these people in the autoresponder with follow-up emails. Many times with affiliate marketing, people do not purchase the first time they see something. So if you were not doing this part and you sent them directly to your affiliate link and they didn't purchase, they got distracted, the kids started crying, whatever, no sale is made, you're not going to get a commission, you don't know who this person was, and basically this person gets lost to you, so you're not able to follow up with them because you don't have any way to contact them via email. And so this is why this bottom part here is so important, and you want to make sure you get their email address so that you can follow up. These people have said that they're interested. Their email address is going to go into the autoresponder, and then from there you are going to follow up with emails about the product that you're promoting. This dog training program was so great, it helped me in this way, these are the 5 things I learned, things like that. And so as people get to know, like, and trust you, they are much more likely to make a purchase. And so by creating these other steps in here, you are really giving yourself a chance to really increase your affiliate commissions. As with your follow-up emails, you're sending them to your affiliate link, and then as they become familiar with you and the value you got from your training program, more than likely a sale is going to be made, and then you would get paid your commissions. And so this is a way that you can really increase what you earn through affiliate marketing. There is some technical kind of things in terms of setting this part up, but this part here is critical to your success. Having a database of the email addresses is basically your one true asset with affiliate marketing. If you are doing just free social media marketing and all your contacts are in social media and that platform goes away, like what's being talked about now, you're going to lose all your contacts. And so you want to have a different way that you can follow up with people, and doing an opt-in funnel is the ideal way to do this. And so by following up with emails, you send them to your affiliate link in the emails. You could send them to your blog that you've created, anything like that. And then when a sale is made, you get paid your commissions after the refund period. And so this is a way that you can really increase your affiliate marketing commissions.